Hello, my name is Chad Wunderlich and I'm the Global Distribution Development Manager for Viking Pump. My responsibilities include training, and previous to this we had shot a training series on troubleshooting our pumps. But one of the things we talked about there was getting that pump off on the right foot, making sure that it's installed and started up correctly. Now those are two separate topics, but we're going to cover this as one video series because it's difficult to tell where that transition occurs. The topic of installation runs right into the topic of startup, so we're going to do this as one continuous series. This is also not just a one-day activity. This takes place over multiple days of installation and startup to make sure this goes off successfully. Now, before we get started, I want you to review your technical service manual. That's going to cover in more depth what I'm discussing here. It's also going to have all those applicable safety precautions to let you know what you need to be aware of before you get started on this type of work. And so with that, let's go ahead and get started with our first topic.